Speller 17. Your word is agoraphobia.
May you please repeat the word?
Yes. Agoraphobia.
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 One more time.
Agoraphobia. So, may I please have all the word information about the word?
Sure. Agoraphobia is of German and Greek origin. It is a noun. It means abnormal fear of being helpless in a situation from which escape may be difficult or embarrassing. That is characterized initially often by panic or anticipatory anxiety, and finally by the avoidance of open or public spaces. In a sentence, Charles doesn't have agoraphobia, but he does much prefer staying home to going out. Agoraphobia.
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 Agoraphobia or agoraphobia?
Agoraphobia. Say it one more time.
Say it.
Agoraphobia.
It's fine. It's fine.
Agoraphobia. Agoraphobia.
You have 30 seconds.
A G U R A P H O B I A. Agoraphobia.
Say the word.
Agoraphobia.
Almost. AGORAPHOBIA. Agoraphobia.
Thank you.
Thank you.